All right. Next element of art we're going to talk about is value. Value, or another word, shading. There's different mediums you can use. Pencil's probably the most common. You could also think about charcoal. You can create value with paint as well, depending on what kind of paint. Like with watercolor, you just or wash, you just add water to get it lighter if you wanted to. So, thing with value and shading, you're talking about density, and contrast, and range. And with that, if you have, say, with line, you could also have, if you're trying to create value, say if I have some like long lines like this, and with using line, and I can have them be more dense, so I put more together, so they have the same line weight. That first one was a little heavy. And then if I put more in together, it gets darker. So it appears lighter here, and as it gets closer, because there's more of them, it creates this illusion of maybe form turning or something like that. So you can use line with density to create value. You can also use crosshatch. We'll say crosshatch. And that would be if I use lines, and then I go against that, that's crossing that line. It adds more density. It's also adding more value. And I'm going to put some this way, and I'll put some this way. So it has this illusion of going from light to dark just by cross-hatching and adding more density through line. I can also have pressure. So there's probably another S in there somewhere, like that maybe. Yeah, let's do it that way. And hopefully I got that. And I'm gonna turn my paper on the side. That's the best way to do this. I'm just gonna press down, and as I move my pencil